The first thing I'm going to be demonstrating to you in this lesson is the image fusion feature in Nano Banana, right? So we're going to be fusing elements from two images to form one image, right? So I already searched out one image here, this woman on the beach. So I'll just copy this image and paste it in Gemini. Then I'm going to come to the cat image. I'm going to copy this cat image right here and also paste it. Now, if you want to upload the images from your own computer, if you don't want to copy and paste, let's say if you have the images downloaded already, all you need to do is to click this add files button right here, and then you click upload files and you upload the photos. Now I can just directly tell Gemini what to do. What I want to do right here is to take this cat out of this image and place it beside this woman. So I can easily just directly type it here, and then Gemini would automatically use Nano Banana to do it. Or I can come here to this tool section and then select create images to select Nano Banana. Okay. Now I can just come, I can just type something simple like place the, so something as simple as this, place the cat from the second image beside the woman in the first image. I can put the first reference image and here second reference image. Okay, so oh, I put the reference second image, but it should understand, okay. So now let me wait for this to finish, and you can see what it has generated for me. You can see it puts the cat in this image right here in the first image. So we've just successfully fused the two images together. So this feature is useful when you need a particular image, but what you need is actually split into two images. Let's say you want an image of your cat on a skyscraper, but obviously you can't find an image of your own cat on a skyscraper on the internet. So what you can do is just what, upload the image of your cat and then upload the image of a skyscraper or maybe your rooftop, send it to Gemini, and then you tell it to what, to fuse the two images together. And then you will have the single image generated and delivered to you. Okay. Now, this is not the only thing you can do with Nano Banana. You can change the background of an image. You can make specific edits to specific parts of a particular image. Let me show you what I mean. And you can see the background right here. Let me say, I want to change this background to a dark background, to a black gradient. So I'll just tell Gemini, change the background background of the reference image to a black gradient. So a black gray gradient. Okay. So, and I'll also tell it, do not or without altering the face of the face in the reference image. Now you can see what it has done. It has changed the background for me into a black gray gradient, and you can see that the face still looks the same. That is the power of Nano Banana. Other AI image generators will actually alter the face. Even Google's image generator that existed before Nano Banana would absolutely alter the face. Okay, the face of the person you receive from Gemini would not look like you. But Nano Banana will not alter the face unless you specifically ask it to. All right, so this is just another thing you can do. Now you can make specific edits. Like I can tell it, I'm going to just copy this image now, and or let me copy this. I'll copy this one. I'm going to paste it again and tell it, change the color of the eyes in the, now see, It altered the background actually. And that's because I did not specifically tell it to not alter the background. But you can see the face. Look at the face. You can see that it still looks like me. The one-sided beard is still there. It's still here. Okay, it's still here, but my eye color has changed. So this is the power of Google Gemini. Sorry, this is the power of Nano Banana. I keep saying Google Gemini because it's what I'm using here, but Nano Banana is the actual tool that is generating these images. All right, so you can use Nano Banana for a whole lot of stuff. These are very basic prompts that I used here. And in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to generate scripts for your video using Gemini. So I'm going to see you there.